Google Earth is loaded with several layers that are part of the core program. And if we go over to our Layers panel, which is here on the bottom left, what you'll notice is that there's a list of all the different layers that are currently available to all users. Now, we can turn these layers on and off by simply coming over and clicking on that box, and you'll notice that it takes and it will put a check mark into that box, and now that will be turned on. Do the same thing to turn it off, just click on it and the check mark goes away. Now what you'll notice is that under this particular layer, borders and labels, that we have not a check mark but a box. And what that indicates is that some of the layers underneath this category are turned on and some are not. And in this case, you'll notice that the borders is turned on, labels are not. Anytime you see a plus sign, what that tells you is that there are additional layers as subcategories listed under this topic here. So we can go through and we can individually check, or if we want all of those labels underneath that particular category to turn on, we can simply click on it and it will check all those in that place there. So to turn them on, we simply click once. To turn them off, we click again. And once you have the layers on, a lot of times they're designed to not turn on until you zoom in to a certain level. So what you're going to notice is that as I zoom in to this area here, and I'm going to turn my borders back on so I can see my borders, and there's Montana, and as I zoom in to Montana, you're going to notice these panorama layer items are showing up here. So as I zoom in, you're going to begin to see more of those drawn in as we go in further here. So there's another one that shows up there and several others as we zoom in further. That is the Layers panel.